Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and send audio message on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your message box where you will be sending a voice message. Go ahead, go to that text the person that you want to send a voice message. Then what you're going to do, simply go ahead, you will go ahead, find this icon over here, right? Go ahead, tap on that, right? If you tap on that, you will be able to record a voice message to send that particular person right over there. Once you do that, you can go ahead, send it. If you don't want, you can go ahead, delete that as well. So for you to send a voice message, this is the easy method for you. Go ahead, access that from your message box and do it accordingly. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you got more concerns, do leave them in the comments below. And yeah, I will be seeing you guys next time. Thank you so much.